Let's learn how to graph an inverse relation. And in order to do this, the first thing we have to do is find some points for our original relation. Then we're going to find the inverse of those points by swapping the x's and y's, and then we graph our new points. So let's find a couple of points here on our original relation. So here's a few of them. Remember, to graph a line, we just really need 2 points. So let's just get a few of them. This one right here is going to be 0, 1. Let's use this one right here. This is 2, 3, it looks like. And let's just go ahead and get one more just because. This is, let's do -2, -1. Okay, so the points for our original relation are 2, 3, 0, 1, and -2, -1. We could use any points that we want to. We really just need 2, but I'm going to go ahead and use 3 just because. Okay, so let's find our inverse points, which we find just by switching the x and the y. 1, 0, and -1, -2. Okay, so let's put 3, 2 on there. 1, 2, 3, 1. There's 3, 2. And then 1, 0 is right here. 1, 0. And then finally, we'll do -1, -2, which is down here. -1, -2. And then we'll connect these points with our line. And this is going to be the graph of our inverse. Now, one thing that is true of every graph of an inverse, anytime you graph an inverse, it is always a reflection over the line y equals x. So if I draw the line y equals x, which is just a line that goes diagonally through the center here, I'm going to do it as a dotted line. The line y equals x. Inverse graph is always a reflection over this line. So you can see we took our blue line, which was our original shape, and we just flipped it over that line y equals x, and that's where the graph of the inverse is. And that's true of every inverse graph. It's flipped over the line y equals x, and that happens when we take the x's and y's and swap places with them. That's the definition of inverses, switching the x and y coordinates.